Hey beautiful people, hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. And if you're watching me for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Jumokeken, a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video is going to be on full makeup, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so now I'll be cleansing my face with msmetics micellar water. I'll be cleaning all my neck just to get rid of all the dirt so the pores can open up. And then I'll be going in with adventure water-based moisturizer. I'll use it to massage on my face. Moisturizer is very important before applying any makeup on your face, even without using makeup. This moisturizer has SPF, so it's also good for to avoid sunburn. So it's a very good product. Now I'm done with the moisturizer. Look at the skin, it's glowing. Can you see that? So now I'll be going in with Zikel primer, oil free. It's an oil free primer, so I'll only be applying it on my T-zones. So after applying the Zikel primer on my face, it's just on my cheeks, forehead, and the jaw. I don't need to apply it under my eyes. It's going to get my foundation crease, and so now I'll be using Adventure foundation in maple, then spray with Kiss Beauty setting spray cucumber. Yeah, the foundation is matte, so I actually needed the setting spray because it will get tacky easily. So now I'm beginning with the Divine Gold concealer. I don't really know the numbers, but I know it's 2 shades darker than mine, 2 shades lighter and a shade darker than my skin. So I have to do one part first, then blend. The reason is it's a matte concealer. I applied the darker one outside and the lighter one in the inner corner. Then I blend them in. So now I'm also applying blended the one on my forehead, then I'll blend the one on the jawline also. I'll blend that out. You guys know blending is key. If I didn't blend this foundation in or the concealer in properly, you will know. You will know, because right now it's obvious that the blending is incomplete yet, but as soon as I'm done blending, you will see it. There won't be harsh lines. Look at that. Can you see that? Blending is very important, no harsh lines. So now I'll be going in with setting powder from Ben9 setting powder. I'll be setting under my face, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my jaw. I'll be setting that before I bake my face, so that I'll be able to apply powder on it without creasing. Because I notice when you set the face before applying setting powder directly, like before baking directly, it helps in blending out your powder. It doesn't look so it won't crease. But the moment you apply them directly, like from the foundation, then you now add powder on it, the setting powder on it directly, it crease, except you know how to blend it out immediately. So I've already done my contouring. I prefer powder contouring. I don't really like, I said that earlier. So now I'm blending everything all out. I'm applying powder, the color of my skin. I'm applying it on my face. Yeah, I did reverse contour. I'm not really a reverse contour person. I normally use powder, but for the sake of the video, I don't know, I ended up doing reverse contour. So now I'll be baking the face, not bonso. I'm baking my face. So you guys should just enjoy the video. I'm baking. Then now it's time for you to subscribe, please, guys, please. subscribe to my channel, please, so you can get to, if you don't subscribe, I won't be motivated. You just don't watch and leave. Please subscribe to the channel. Grow with me. Grow with me, guys. Grow with me. It's very necessary that you grow with me, because when you grow with me, you are going to have a history. You're going to have a lot of things to say about the channel. But if you refuse to subscribe, or you're just watching and you leave, well, I guess you don't really like it. But those of you that find my channel interesting, please subscribe to the channel so you get to know and see a lot. It's not just about makeup. I'll be doing a little bit of lifestyle once in a while, not all the time, because I'm a busy person, so not all the time. So please subscribe to the channel, please, guys. Now I'm done with the outline of the brows. I lighten the outline brows with the same concealer I used earlier. So I guess for now, guys, I'll allow you guys to watch. Thank you so much.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
So guys, it's time for the eyeshadow, but before then I'll be applying the eyeshadow primer from Flawless Ivy. The eyeshadow primer is very nice. Sincerely speaking, the eyeshadow is nice. So I'll blend it out. You can see that blend, because if you don't blend it to crease, your eyeshadow to have an ash line. So now I'm blending with dark shade of powder. I usually use that powder for my contouring. So I'm going in with the powder, and with the powder on the outer corner, I'm using it to blend the primer out, So that's what I'm doing now. I'm blending it out, so you don't get to see where the primer ended or begin. You won't even know. So now I'm going in with another beautiful shimmer eyeshadow. Yeah, that's it. A golden brown eyeshadow. Applying it on the inner corner. Then as for the outer corner, I'll be using a pink and one other red on the outer corner. Then I'm blending it all out. It's necessary you blend all your eyeshadow. If you don't blend them, there's going to be an ash line, and the eyeshadow will not look nice. So I'm blending it all out, guys. You can see that. So guys, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Now I'm using another. This one is Man of Noble eyeshadow. The eyeshadow, you can also use it as an highlighter. It's a very nice eyeshadow. I can't even remember. I think I bought it online on Instagram. So I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. I just want that part to pop. That's what I'm doing. It's the white kind of shade, and it's nice. So guys, please subscribe. Please see the way I'm begging you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, God will bless you more. Once you subscribe to my channel, you get 100,000 folds of blessings from God. So which do you prefer? Subscribe once and get God's blessing. So guys, look at me here. I'm almost there, guys. Let me rest a bit. My mouth is paining me. Let me play more music for you guys to listen to. would really like to watch how I apply my eyelashes, you can just comment down in the comment section. Then depends on how many people want that, then I'll be doing the video on how I apply my my eyelashes. So applying lashes is sometimes is easy, sometimes it's difficult. It depends on the mood. But if you really want me to do that, I'll do that. So guys, I'm outlining my lips. It's time for the lipstick. So I'm outlining my lip. I want to do a fuller lip. Like you think my lip is big. So that's what I'm doing. I'm outlining the lips. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Now I'm actually serious, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please guys. The channel is going to be fun. It's going to be fun. It's just the beginning. So why you guys why are you scared of subscribing? So guys, subscribe. Thank you so much. I think from here I'll be saying a goodbye here, because this is just from here after applying the lip. Yeah, at a point I realized the lipstick, I don't really like it. You can see the finished look, guys. You can see that. You're welcome. Yeah, I did a nice job there. So I decided to change the lipstick to something nude, and it's nice. I will leave the lipstick shade I use in the description below. You can see now that it's this. I prefer this lip to the other one. Yeah guys, so thank you for subscribing to my channel already. Thank you, and don't forget to also like, share. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.